coming back to the stage to perform one of their hits that just surpassed 1 billion streams on Spotify. I mean, come on. It's the Grammy-nominated multi-platinum superstars, Jonas Brothers.
It's 5 in the morning, you know, 100 on the dash. 'Cause my wheels are rolling, ain't taking my foot off the gas. Headed home between one night, see the end of the line, staring deep in your eyes. Dancing on the edge, about to take it too far. Dancing with my head out, dancing your heart. Wake up in your bed, going in the dark on Sunday. Beat before you love me. 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 When I leave the party behind, don't care if they notice, no. I'll just get you right. I'd rather be lonely than wrapped around your body too tight. Yeah, I'm the type to get naked, won't give my heart a full breaking. Something going to be sticking. About to take it too far. Dancing with my head, I'm dancing your heart. Wake up in your bed, alone in the dark on Sunday. Beat before you love me. 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 About to take it too far. My head out, I'm missing your heart. Wake up in your bed, alone in the dark. Stop it. Gotta leave before you love. Leave before you love. Leave before you love. Leave before you love.